Hello my friends, welcome to forexwithks. Today is 26th of January 2022. Today is Wednesday. Before we start the show, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment in the video. So let's check out a quick introduction before we start the program.
Disclaimer: be advised that I am not a professional financial consultant or advisor. I am sharing this information for education purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video.
Okay, so let's check out the calendar first. So yesterday, Tuesday, we got Australia CPI numbers above expectation. The German I4 business climate also above expectation. US CB confidence, consumer confidence also above expectation. So looks Wednesday we got Australia bank holiday today. So less volatility in the morning session. So let's see Wednesday what do we have? We have this one. Canada. Okay, BOC monetary policy up for tonight and the overnight rate. Okay, so this will be have a big impact on the Canadian dollar. So if you are trading the Canadian dollar, so tonight there will be a high volatility. Okay, during this overnight rate and monetary policy. Okay, they don't expect to change the policy, the rate. So if any changes, will be a big impact to the Canadian dollar. Okay, tomorrow and tonight, remember tonight and later evening, if you are in the US or in the Europe, right? So you are there will be this FOMC coming, okay, federal fund rate and FOMC statement. So this one there will be volatility for the USD. So watch out for these two big events for today. Okay, today and tomorrow morning, okay. So watch out for this monetary BOC monitoring policy and this FOMC. Okay. So other than that, right? Tomorrow we also need to watch out for this one. CPI numbers for New Zealand dollar and GDP for US. Okay. So other than that, there are pending home sales. You might want to take a look also for US. Okay. Let's check out the chart. See what are the opportunity available. So check out the currency by itself first. Look at DXY. Okay, DXY starting to rebound, but we get a pin bar yesterday here. Okay, a bearish pin bar exactly at this resistance line. Okay, we got this resistance line, right? So there is a pin bar here. Looks like possibly DXY is heading down. Is having a looks bearish to me. Okay, DXY in short term look bearish. Maybe there's a pullback coming in. So there's generally USD is strong, but I think USD is having problem breaking this trend line over here. Okay, so there's a possible drop on DXY today. Look at Euro. We got a pin bar over here, so there's a possible bullish move. Okay, for Euro. Okay, so take note. So British pound. So we got a pin bar over here at resistance, as support. As support over here, right? This level, right? Okay, so there is a possible strength. Possible positive move for pound today. And this one, Swiss franc. Okay, Swiss franc is a bit weak. Okay, Swiss franc unable to break through this area. Swiss franc unable to break through this area. 1.0997. So there's a possibility that Swiss franc is weakening. So those pair that we say is strengthening show strength on the weekend, right? Actually, it's starting to weaken a bit. Okay, weaken a bit now. This one, Japanese yen, so unable to break through this buyer's line 0.88 0.0088155. So there is a possible, okay, a drop on this stronger currency, and the weaker currency turn around, as I said, right? Anything, okay, they might change, okay, all the analysis that we did on the Saturday, Sunday, because we have FOMC, everything that we analyzed could have a big U-turn, have a big change during FOMC. Day before FOMC, the day of FOMC, or the day after FOMC, okay? So beware of that, okay? So they don't so whenever we got FOMC, so there could be a lot of changes. So Canadian dollar is looking for direction. Okay, we got a triangle over here, right? Triangle over here. So it's looking for direction. So there's no direction, not to say it's weak or it's strong yet. Similar, okay, AUD also is looking for direction. Okay, you can see here it's a triangle, right? Okay, if you can't see it in the daily, don't worry. Okay, go to the 4 hour. Okay, you can see, right, a triangle, right? Okay, so wait for it to break out. So you can break either way. Okay, so you can either way. So so AUD is a little bit stronger, but it's not really saying that it's bullish yet. It's still waiting for direction. Most likely, it's waiting for the this FOMC, right? So there is not too much of a big move. As I said, the big move will come the day before FOMC, the day of FOMC, and probably the day after FOMC, right? So these are, you see the all the this one New Zealand dollar also looking to be printing a two tail over here, tweezer bottom. So there's a possibility that it want to reverse up. Okay, so now it's most of the pair is in turning point. It's in turning point. Okay, New Zealand dollar turning point. Okay, this one consolidating triangle. AUD in turning point, so it's waiting for FOMC direction, right? So Canadian dollar also in triangle, in turning point. Okay, Japanese yen also somewhat of a triangle, right, in a turning point. Swiss franc shows weakness. British pound, okay, British pound in the turning point, in the buyer's line, okay, so it's looking for direction, which way you want to go. Okay, euro, okay, have been dropping down, okay, dropping down all the way, but now you see, right, okay, it just started to drop out from this channel. Okay, it just dropped out from this support over here, support trend line. Okay, but it has printed a pin bar over here, right? So there is some bullishness here. So US dollar also, right, we got a pin bar over here, so there's a possible change of direction. Means the stronger currency end of last week, right, could turn to the weak, could become, after this tonight, the FOMC policy comes out, right, it can turn around, become a weak currency, and a weak currency can turn around, become a strong currency. Okay, that's why FOMC can change everything. That's why we don't play very big. Okay, we don't go all out during before FOMC, because FOMC can create chaos. Okay, in our analysis, right? So it all depend on how they're going to come about with tonight the presentation. Okay, look at the currency pair, Euro USD, right? Euro USD, we are having a pin bar, two pin bar over here, pin bar and a tail bar over here. Okay, so there's quite a lot of bullishness over here. We have to see, right, a lot of bullishness over here. So this one, right, are we going to trade? Let's say the price goes up, right? Are we going to trade this? No, we are not going to trade this, right? Because we got our buyer's line here. So as long as the price is below here, we still want to sell this. Okay, so this one we are looking for sell opportunity. If the price come back to 1.13753, we want to sell. Or the price go higher, 1.14523, we want to sell. Okay, we are looking to sell this. So this FOMC might turn the USD, Euro USD around, means USD starting to strengthen, but it could weaken USD. Any weakness, right, we want to wait for the opportunity to buy the USD. Okay, the weakness means it will let's say for Euro USD sake, so the price might move up. Okay, because we got a weaker USD, stronger Euro, right? So the price might move up. The upward move, right, will be opportunity for us to sell. Okay, pound USD. Okay, Euro USD, yeah, there. No, Euro USD, there's no. Okay, Pound USD. Okay, Pound USD, right? Okay, price is at our buyer's line. Okay, so the move above this pin bar, right? There is a possible sell or buy opportunity here. Okay, so this one there's possible trade over here. Look at the 4 hours, right? So we have what we have here. What do we have here? We got that double bottom reversal, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3 reversal. 1, 2, 3 reversal. So this one possible there is a buy trade over here. Okay, once the price move through this this pin bar, right? Okay, the price goes above this pin bar, so there is a buy opportunity over here. $1.35191. Okay, so this one the possible trade over here. So look at USD JPY, both will be affected today, quite seriously affected by the by this Fed tonight. So let me see. The price is at support. Support USD. We got pin bar over here. So this area is very well supported by the buyers. Okay. So this one possible. Okay, this area you want to look for buy. Okay. Any strong price action buy, any strong bullish price action, we'll look for buy from 113.57 towards 114.735. USD CHF, this one a bit difficult. Okay, this one is a bit too sideways. I'm not trading this. Again, USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD has rejected at our buyer's line. Okay, USD CAD rejected. We got a pin bar, then we got an inside bar. Okay, we got something like a Hirami here. Okay, but not ideal Hirami, but something like a Hirami here. So there is possible. Okay, if the price, okay, if tonight FOMC is not so bullish, right? So this one could drop. Canadian dollar could be stronger. Okay, so this one could go either way. Okay, because now it is exactly at this buyer's line, right? So let's say this one, okay, this consolidation. If the price break above, opportunity to starting to look for buy. If the price break below, opportunity starting to look for sell. Okay, so this one can go either way. USD CAD can go either way. Okay, but possibly I think it could it can go either way. Okay, AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD, we got a pin bar here, right? A pin bar here for 24th on Monday. Okay, but we are not buying this. Why we are not buying this? Because this is a downtrend. Okay, this is a downtrend. The idea is trade with the trend. Don't trade against the trend. Okay, so trading against the trend is a lot of time, right? You will get stop out. Okay, so this one possibly, okay, we are waiting for a direction, waiting for a retracement. Okay, a retracement towards this area would be opportunity to sell 0.7281, or possible the price might retrace over here. Start to get rejected over here, 0.71739, or possible tonight, right? Okay, possible tonight after the FOMC, it might straight away goes down. It breaks below this bottom over here. This bottom. Let me align the bottom here. Okay, it drops below 0.60917, so there is a sell opportunity. Okay, so this one also can break either way tonight. We have to wait for the FOMC. Okay, similar, you see, right? This one, New Zealand dollar, USD also, okay, it's consolidating, so it can break either way. Okay, if it breaks, if it breaks up, we will look for sell opportunity at 0.67990, or if it breaks down, there is a sell opportunity after it breaks the bottom of here. Okay, of this consolidation. Let me draw in a level. Let me mark a level. Okay, but if you want to buy, whether you want to buy the initial breakout or not, it's up to you. Okay, because during FOMC, right? Okay, there's a lot of what do you call it? A lot of crazy swing. Okay, what I call a lot of crazy swing is that is high risk. Okay, it could do this during FOMC, right? Most of the time we don't trade during FOMC. We wait for it to break out, then we want to go for the retest. We want to sell the retest. Why we want to sell the retest? Because during FOMC, okay, the high volatility might cause the candle like that. It might drop first. Okay, after a while, okay, it goes back up. Okay, so they will take out all the, okay, after it goes back up, it will take out all your stop loss, all the sellers over here. Okay, so I want it to close as a sell. I want it to close as a sell here. Okay, let's say it closed bearish. Okay, only tomorrow I will look for retracement. Okay, here. Okay, for a sell. I don't, during this FOMC, right, high volatility, right, so the price might go both way. The price might go up first or goes down first, then it goes down, or the price might go down first and it goes up. So during this time, that's why news is not easy to trade. If you want to trade the news, you have to be very, you have to take a lot of risk. If you are able, have the appetite to take a lot of risk, maybe you can open the trade during then, but I'm not doing that. Okay, so after finish the major, look at some of the crosses. Euro AUD, we have we got pin bar over here, right? Okay, a pin bar looks like AUD stronger, but this is counter trend. Okay, the trade is above the buyer's line. This one we should be, the trend is going up. You can see trend is going up. So this is counter trend. We are not trading this. Possible we want to wait for a buy opportunity at 1.57339. Look at EuroCAD. EuroCAD price consolidating over here. EuroCAD, we are looking to sell this. Okay, so if we get a bearish price action at this area, 1.144344, possible sell. Okay, or break below, or the price come back and break below this level over here, we want to sell. Okay, 1.42129. So there could be a lot of setup today because, as I said, during this FOMC, there will be a lot of volatility. Though there is a lot of setup. So, but be careful. Okay, be careful. Don't trade too big lot. Or you can do this. Okay, you can go in small initially. If you have a direction, if you have a bias, you go in small first. Okay, once today, FOMC, okay, decided. So the price is moving according to your prediction, right? Then you add to it. Okay, you add to it. Okay, if the price goes the other way around, you lose a little bit. If the price goes your way, then the next movement you add. Okay, you add to your target. Okay, Euro, Swiss franc. Okay, Euro. You see, Swiss franc is quite weak. Okay, this is a turning point. Okay, a price go down, a dodgy, and the price goes up and engulfing the previous price. So this looks like price is going up. Looks like Euro is getting stronger. Okay, looks like the stronger pair, right? Japanese yen, USD, and Swiss franc looks like it's going to turn around, but nobody can confirm this. Okay, until we see the effect of FOMC tonight. So this one possibly is going up. So this one we are not selling this. Why? We are not buying this. Why? Because generally the trend is a downtrend. Okay, we don't trade against the trend. If you want, you can if you want, but okay, but if you want to stay in the market long term, okay, you want to make money long term, probably don't want to do that. Okay, so wait for the retracement and sell. Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY. Okay, so JPY is getting slightly weaker. Slightly weaker, so Euro JPY is a bit sideways. No doubt it's downtrend, but it's a bit sideways. So this one, okay, we got a pin bar, we got a pin here. Possible you want to move up, but we're not buying this, okay, because this is generally is a downtrend. This one, so there's no trade over here yet. Okay, Euro pound. Okay, Euro pound, we got a pullback here. We got a pullback here. Euro pound consolidating over here. Okay, Euro pound, look for a bearish price action at 0.84261 for sell. opportunity or possible bearish price action at 0.83785 for sell opportunity. Pound JPY, pound JPY. Okay, pound is getting stronger. Okay, we got an inside bar here. Okay, so there is possible a rebound over here. There's a possible rebound over here, no doubt. The best way to trade this, right? This sideways price action is to sell at the top, buy at the back. Okay, but there is a support over here in the middle here. This area. Okay, this could be our buyer's line. Okay, so there is support over here. So possible, okay, a break above this consolidation, right? This area, there is a possible buy opportunity over here. Okay. Okay, a break above 154.519. Pound Swiss franc. Okay, pound Swiss franc, we got a rebound. This one. Okay, this one we're looking to sell this. Once the price come back, retest the buyer's line 1.24653, the resistance line, a rejection, we're looking to sell this. Okay. Or if it goes above, then we're looking to buy. Okay. So, but we don't see any setup here yet. AUD JPY. Okay, AUD JPY, we have consolidation over here. So this one is again looking for direction. So possibly we still want to sell this, okay, because these are actually this. Let me see the long binder trend. This is actually going sideways. This is actually sideways. So this can go either way. This is sideways. So this can go either way. Let me see. Yeah, this is a sideways. Rendeck bank coming. Okay, still a bit bullish. Okay, still a bit bullish. So come back here, higher high. Okay, this one is a bit tricky to trade. Okay, a bit tricky to trade. This one look like we're quite sideways, look like doing a triangle consolidation. Okay, this is very much a triangle consolidation, so this is a bit tricky to trade. Okay, this one I will ignore first. I don't see a very clear signal, a very clear direction to trade this one. So I would be leaving this for now. Higher high. Okay, AUD CAD. Okay, AUD CAD. We got, wow, look at this. So much how do you call it? So much indecision. Okay, buyers strong. Now they think sellers strong. Then now they turn to buying. Now they turn to no decision. Initially they are selling, initially buy, then buying, then selling, then there is no direction. So this one have to wait for direction. This one we are not trading this. NZAD, NZD. Okay, AZNZ, we got a rebound over here. Remember we talked about this one, right? This is bullish engulfing, so there is a possible trade over here. Okay, bullish engulfing, so there's a possible buy opportunity here. Okay, towards 1.07 or even above. So next target will be here, 1.07609. Okay, so this one is our classic 1, 2, 3 continuation. Look at the 4 hours. Okay, it's a classic 1, 2, 3 continuation. Okay, 1, 2, 3 continuation. A break above is a continuation. Okay, so either you buy here or you can buy after the price break above 1.07173 towards 1.70609. Gold, okay, gold we took a trade here yesterday. Remember, we see two pin bar over here. Okay, so there's a possible buy trade over here. I said like talk about this one, 1, 2, 3 continuation, right? 1, 2, 3 continuation. Okay, so there's a possible buy trade for gold. Or you can buy on the pin bar yesterday, these two pin bar, right? Okay, you can buy based on these two pin bar. So target will be around, target will be here, 1868. Index, okay, index haywire. I'm not trading the index. Okay, the index will be very big affected. Okay, will be affected by the FOMC tonight. So I'm not trading this. Okay, it can kaboom again or it can fly again. So this one I'm not trading this, even though we got bullish direction over here. January, right? January AUD, right? January AUD, right? Is having this. Initially, I thought this one is a double bottom, but now I see this as a double top. Okay. So double top, retest the trend line, most likely the market is going down again. Okay, so this one I'm not trading this. The index is crazy, so I'm not trading this. So this one consolidating, you see, right? This one, the German DAX is consolidating. So it can go either way also, this one. So I'm not trading this one. Nasdaq, okay, Nasdaq is consolidating also. We got a pin bar over here, but the price is not going up after the pin bar, right? That's why, okay, we have to be very careful trading this. The indexes, I'm not trading the indexes these few days. Okay, we got pin bar over here, but the price is not going up. The price is still moving down. So indexes, you have to wait. Okay, indexes probably wait for the FOMC. Similar, you got pin bar here, but the price not moving up. So I think the price should go up, could go up after the FOMC. Okay, because of this pin bar, because of pin bar effect, it might drop. It might drop first, but it might reverse up. But this is short term. I think after it goes up, it will go down again. So this one we are not buying here because all of these US stock, US index, right, already broke the uptrend. Okay, now it's having a downtrend. So possible it will come out, retest the trend line over here. Okay, but the bottom trend line, after retest, it will drop again. So this one is too chaotic to test to trade the indexes tonight. Okay, probably the gold is a good trade. AUD, NZD is a good trade. Euro CAD possible is a good trade if it breaks below. Euro AUD possible. Euro AUD. No, there's no trade over here. Sorry. NZD USD. Okay, so there's NZD USD. Let me see. There is a possible trade if it breaks below, but I don't think so. AUD USD. Okay, these two, there is a possible trade if it breaks through, but I don't think so. Okay, USD CAD. Let me see. USD CAD is looking for direction. Okay, so okay, pound USD is a proper trade. Okay, it's a proper setup. If once the price break through, Euro CAD is a proper trade. Once the price break down below here, 1.42129. Okay, so these are the better setup. AUD NZD, yes, a better setup. Once the price break through 1.07173. Okay, these are the better trade that you might want to trade, take. These are the better setup. Gold, yes, okay, a better setup here. Other than all this, no. Okay, so the better setup are gold, AUD NZD, Euro CAD, and pound USD. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget to support the channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.